Listen up, if you still think Alibaba is just a place to buy 5-pound phone cases and cheap plastic trinkets, you are completely blind to how the biggest whales on earth actually move capital. I just opened up my inbox, direct notification from the platform, and right there layout clear is a literal 60 million pound luxury cabin superyacht available for direct wholesale corporate dispatch. Right next to it, a $33,000 fully automated industrial gummy candy production line. This isn't a marketplace for side hustles, this is the hidden global manufacturing pipeline where billionaires and corporate syndicates bypass the Western middleman markup entirely. They aren't paying retail brokers, they are buying heavy fleet assets straight from the industrial source. If you want to stop thinking small time and start understanding how elite international trade procurement infrastructure operates behind closed doors, you need to look at the data. Head over to BigWhaleDeals.com right now.